Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review a cryptocurrency out there that I'm hearing a lot about. It's called Titano, and Titano offers a 1.899% daily return on investment. Just wanted to let you know whether I thought it was a legit cryptocurrency or it's a scam. Hey, I've been an accountant for more than 33 years now in the professional realms, and as you can imagine, I have looked at hundreds of businesses in that time. Certainly, cryptocurrency offers a great opportunity to earn some money, but I have a feeling that not all coins are created the same. And today, I just wanted to investigate Titano because a friend close to me brought it to me, asked me if I would do a review on it, and so here you go. So interestingly enough, when I first pulled up the name Titano, you'll never believe what I found. I found that it was a name of a giant gorilla or ape who climbed the Empire State Building. Mind you, I'm not talking about King Kong. I'm talking about a nemesis of Superman. He seemed to have these green lasers that produce from his eyes, so that was just an interesting aside. But today, let's talk a bit about Titano. Legit 1.899% daily ROI or scam. But before we go there, please like, comment, share, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that good old bell icon so you can receive future videos as they come out. We're starting to develop a large base of subscribers, and I have lots of people asking me questions about different businesses. Certainly, if you have any questions, please ask that to me, and I would be happy to investigate and write not only a review on my blog site, myfinancialfair.com, but record a video on it as well. So welcome to my Titano review. I'm not sure if you'd be interested, but chances are someone approached you online, in person, or on social media about Titano, the newest kid on the block in terms of auto staking tokens. As an accountant with over 33 years of experience, I chose to take a look to see if it's on the up and up. The good news is I'm going to walk you through the people, products, and compensation plan of Titano. So what happens next is that you pay close attention, listen to this to the end to figure out if you should buy some Titano or not. Hey, do you want to know a 100% legit way to make income from home? What if you could build a passive income stream online that's actually passive? An income stream that doesn't require being on the phone all day, wasting hours of your life when people no-show, trading your time for money, or financial issues during a bad month. You know, that good old stress when you run out of money before you run out of month, or letting somebody else take control of your fate. So if you look at my blog site, you can see a couple testimonials of people that earn some money online. So make sure you go to myfinancialfair.com. However, if you still want to know more about Titano token, keep listening forward. So what is Titano token? Well, below is a quote taken directly from the Titano white paper. Titano is positioned to lead a revolution in DeFi, that's decentralized finance, with the Titano auto staking protocol, also called TAP, a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and gives Titano token holders the largest stable returns in crypto. Hey, this is part of the white paper that talks a little bit about TAP, so you can see certainly how much they promise to pay you. It seems out of this world. TAP gives the Titano token automatic staking and compounding features and the highest fixed APY in the market at 102,483.58%, a daily return on investment of 1.89999%. Titano is a developer-based company focused on innovation that creates benefits and value for Titano token holders. Their TAP protocol is used in Titano token, giving it exceptional benefits. So, a couple things that Titano claims. They claim they're easy and safe. They claim they have a fixed APY, annual percentage yield is what most of us know that as, and their fast rebate rewards. So certainly you can see more details on my website, myfinancialfair.com. So sometimes when I see these claims by tokens and other MLM businesses, I think of it as a black box. So they're saying that the TAP uses a complex set of factors to support its price and rebate rewards. It also uses game theory and human nature to determine the most likely habits of those to buy the token. Wow, that's a lot to say there, but what does this actually mean? Well, certainly Titano claims a 1.899% daily return on investment, but if we multiply that number out, we get a yearly ROI of 693.465%, plus with the 1/2 hour compounding, that's 48 compounding periods a day, you would receive a whopping 102,483.58% return in 1 year. That means if you invest $1, you get $1,024 back. Furthermore, I get a little worried when Titano says it's easy and safe and it provides the fixed APY and a fast rebate rewards. So the Titano auto-staking protocol uses a complex set of factors to support its value, price, and reward system. Sounds to me like they have a magic black box that can predict human behavior. Of course, their development team works seamlessly behind the scenes to promote an elegant staking and reward system. So all I really get out of that is sounds like they've hired a great copywriter to buffalo you into investing money into this investment scheme. So what about the logic here? Let's think about Titano logically. The leadership nor the ownership of this protocol is yet evident. They call themselves developers, yet they want you to place your hard-earned capital into their token scheme. Hey, additionally, when I looked on their website, I found no privacy or terms page on this site. That's a big no-no in the online world. So Titano.finance was privately registered their domain on 11/29/2021. So they're making suppositions or claims that they're going to pay this huge percentage, and yet they've only been around since the end of November. How do they know? So how do you make money with Titano.finance? Titano offers an auto-staking protocol that compounds your original investment every half hour for 48 compounding periods a day. It claims to pay out 1.8999% daily, or a yearly rate of 102,483.58%. So you put in $1 and pull out over 100,000. Isn't that terrific? And certainly incredible if it's actually true. So what's the cost to join Titano? Well, you can find information about Titano on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Certic, Solidity Finance, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo News, MarketWatch, and Bazinga. Looks like you can also buy it on PancakeSwap with your crypto wallet. Titano, as of this date, currently trades at 18 cents. So what you do is you trade in your BNB tokens to get Titano. What are other Titano reviews saying? Well, when I looked at Trustpilot, reviews are 72% positive, 14% average, and 14% negative. I would say Titano has not been around long enough to see if they will pull the rug from underneath you. What worries me about such projects is they are unregistered with any institutions like the SEC or the FRC. In other words, no shoulders to cry on if they pull the plug, exit scam, or pull the rug on this project. So in the final verdict, should you join? Does the Titano scam exist? Well, let's just look at the facts, shall we? First, we have no idea who runs or owns the business. They're just called developers, but they want you to invest your BNB into them. Second, they don't even have a privacy or terms page, which is a huge red flag on top. In fact, we don't know who they are. If you really want to learn a skill set that makes you passive income, check out my #1 recommendation below. It's been a business for 3 years now, and it teaches people skills on how to make money online, and it's not a gimmick. In fact, I am a graduate from this school and a year and a half later, and I am doing very well, thank you. So, if you're tired of scams, here's my number one recommendation. If you land on this blog and you actually want to know how to build a profitable business online, right? So, for the first time, they are creating a business course that helps build any business online, including network marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails, and convert them to buying customers without ever talking on the phone. In fact, if you want to learn more about it, go to my website, myfinancialfair.com, and hit the button and partner with me so you can learn more about it. In fact, once you learn the skill set and the mindset, your income can be virtually limitless when it comes to building a business. Plus, every person gets a one-on-one advisor to make sure everything is being done properly. Hey, feel free to go to my website, myfinancialfair.com, and you can read some testimonials on how others have done with this. In fact, here's something from ClickFunnels. Certainly they taught me how to do that, and I earn money on ClickFunnels. Wow. And so here's some other things from a company called Entre. So you can certainly receive some commissions there. In fact, we have complete newbies who are just getting started making their first commissions online. And then we have some students that have been with us, in this case, talking to me for more than a year, who are completely crushing it. Guess what? The digital economy is the number one online business model for those just starting out. So whether you've never made $1 online, or you've been in this space for a while but never really made it, digital real estate is for you. I know you will make the right decision. You can follow me on the social media below. You can follow me on Facebook. In fact, join my Facebook group. Answer 3 simple questions on fun with finances, and I will be happy to let you in, and we will talk about different financial subjects every week. Please learn to be a financial leader in your family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get future videos by hitting that good old bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. And today, you can even follow me on TikTok, although I don't sing or dance. So if you're tired of failing in business, then click here and take your game to the next level, or look in the description field below and learn more about me and how we can help you build your own online business today. So, time to make the change. Get the inside scoop on how you can bring your spouse home and earn work from home income. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. See you next time, everybody.